Here's a wild fact. Rhino horns are just like human hair. Want to know more? Rhino horns aren't made of bone like you might think. Instead, they're made of keratin. That's the exact same protein that makes up our hair and nails. Imagine your hair growing so thick and strong that it forms a horn. Keratin is a tough material, but it's also flexible. This helps rhinos use their horns for all sorts of things, from digging up roots to defending themselves. And just like our hair, a rhino's horn can grow back if it gets damaged. So next time you see a picture of a rhino, remember that their impressive horns are basically giant, super strong hairdos. Nature is full of surprises, isn't it? If you found this fascinating, hit the like button and subscribe for more wild facts. Catch you on the next adventure.